Wow. Yeah. I remember reading, it took me like 3 hours or something, but I read it continuously because I couldn't stop. And my first thought was like, how are we going to create this? Because it's like larger than life, a lot of it, you know. So I was really excited to see how it was finally going to come. To fruition. In fact, when the first day I went on set, like I went one day before I actually started shooting, and I actually went. It takes around a day to go just around the sets because they were like huge sets.
It was spread across 25 acres of land.
So like it took me a day, to kind of just go there. I mean, I can't like be Chani and then be like, wow, this is mind blowing. Yeah, this is too good. So I like the day before I just went. I roamed around on the sets. I actually tried to feel like I was part of this civilization. And I always say I'm really lucky, because today, even if you wanted to see Mohenjo-daro, you won't be able to, because if you go to Pakistan, right, it's just the ruins. It's not like, Mohenjo-daro in its full form, in all glory.
No, you know what? One thing I cannot do is write a star vehicle script. Because when you write a star vehicle script, for me, I'm not able to focus on the story, and I start imbibing the character with the star's qualities and what he should be doing, or ऐसा एक टाइप ये सीन भी होना चाहिए, वो सीन भी होना चाहिए, goes into that space. So I actually first just wrote the script, and when I finished, I realized it has to be Hrithik, because by the time you start developing it, then the images start coming in your mind about how the story is going to unfold and who will suit this kind of a role. No, I wasn't thinking that we'll get a mixed response. I only thought that since people know nothing about the era, I thought they'll be more open to the imagery that is shared with them. Because X amount of research and all of that has been done. But I realized that the way we believe in different historians and different interpretations, the audience also has their own interpretation, even if they are not historians. तो मुझे हिस्ट्री पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे बचपन में मैंने जो एक पैराग्राफ पढ़ा हुआ है वो पढ़ के मुझे लगता है ये पिक्चर गलत है. अभी मैं कुछ नहीं जानता, this is wrong. So that can happen, because if you tell me that I'm going to watch a film about the Boer rebellion, which I know nothing about, but when the film comes out, whatever little 2 sentences I've read in my school book, I might look at it and say, हाँ ये तो नहीं था Boer rebellion. So that kind of a mixed response I was slightly anticipating because of Jodha Akbar also, because when you create a new world, the first thing is of shock, and I hope it settles in when audiences come in to see the movie. A lot of the questions that they have will be answered in the film, because I cannot put everything into the trailer. So I'm open, and it's an invitation to the audience to come to see the film. even if you have reservations. No, I don't think so. Because why I don't think so is because the films that are getting made now are really the 2 crore films. I'm saying budget wise, 2 crore films and the 4 crore films. Some films that I know have been made in 60 lakhs and 90 lakhs are gems. They get the entries into Cannes, they get the entries into Berlin, they get the entries into so many international festivals and win awards, because it's powerful cinema. And if it's made in 2 lakhs, and if it does if it's made in 2 crores, and if it does 5 crores business, I'm saying it's 50% return. More than 100% return. I think that's a success. For me, that thought doesn't come first. For me, what the thought is that, is there anything engaging that I want to tell in this part of the world? In case of Indus Valley, it took me at least progression of say 5-6 years. It was in the back of my head even after Jodha Akbar. Someday I'll make it. Someday I'll make it. But I was constantly thinking that how can I make it in a way that it's relevant to today's audiences? Because if relevance नहीं है, so this audience will not connect, which is I think your main fear that you're expressing. So it has to connect while being in that period. But my choice of my decision of making that choice is not based on trying to outdo cell phones or laptops or the small screen entertainment.